Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something super relevant for anyone who wants to build income online, especially heading into 2026. We're talking about the top 5 ways to earn money online in 2026 and how you can start implementing them. No fluff, just friendly, real talk. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't yet, and let's jump right in. The first way is by creating digital courses, coaching programs, or membership models. In 2026, creators who build real value are winning. People want to learn from people who've already achieved something they want. If you've got skills or experience in any field, you can turn that into income by teaching others. Once your content is created, it can earn for you over and over again. For example, you could build a Master Your Trading Discipline course or a YouTube Growth for Beginners course and automate most of the process. Here's how to start. Choose a topic you know well and people want to learn. Create an outline with lessons and examples. Record the videos or write the modules and host them on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or even your own website. Add bonuses like live Q&A or community access. Promote it on your social media or YouTube. The best part, once it's set up, it keeps generating sales while you sleep. So if you're passionate about teaching or mentoring, this could easily become your main source of income. The second way to earn online in 2026 is affiliate marketing and partnerships. This one's amazing if you don't want to create your own product. You simply promote products or services that you genuinely use or recommend, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. With more people shopping online than ever, affiliate marketing is only growing bigger. Start by picking a niche you enjoy, maybe trading tools, gaming gear, or education platforms. Join affiliate programs with good commissions and trustworthy brands. Then create honest reviews or tutorials on YouTube, Instagram, or your blog. Focus on showing how those products solve real problems. Always disclose that your links are affiliate links. Being transparent builds trust. The more valuable your content, the more people will click and buy through your links. Over time, this can turn into a consistent monthly income stream, especially if you combine it with your other online ventures. The third way to make money online in 2026 is freelancing and service-based work. This is perfect if you want fast cash flow while building your long-term income. You can offer services like video editing, social media management, script writing, or even trading consultations if that's your strength. With remote work booming, more businesses are hiring freelancers online instead of full-time staff. Start by identifying your skill. What can you help others with? Then build a simple portfolio, showcasing examples of your work. You can use freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer, or even reach out directly to clients on LinkedIn or Instagram. Set competitive pricing at first, deliver top-quality work, and collect testimonials. As your reputation grows, increase your rates. Freelancing not only brings income, but also helps you understand clients, markets, and trends. Valuable knowledge for when you launch your own business or digital products later. The fourth way is content creation and the creator economy. YouTube, streaming, podcasts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. If you enjoy creating content, this is one of the best long-term opportunities. The creator economy is booming, and platforms are rewarding quality, consistent creators with monetization, brand deals, and sponsorships. Plus, once your content library grows, it can bring passive income for years. Start with a niche that excites you: gaming, finance, motivation, or education. Stick to a consistent upload schedule, even if it's just once or twice a week. Focus on engaging thumbnails, clear storytelling, and your unique personality. Respond to comments, ask viewers questions, and create a real community. Once you meet the platform's monetization requirements, you'll earn from ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, and even your own merchandise or digital products. The key is consistency and connection. Don't chase virality, chase value and trust, and the income will follow naturally. The fifth and final way to earn online in 2026 is through automation, AI tools, and passive income models. We're in a time where technology does most of the heavy lifting for you. AI can help you write, design, edit, and even manage customer service. The smartest earners in 2026 will be those who build systems that work for them, not the other way around. Think of models like print on demand, dropshipping, or digital downloads. For example, you can design t-shirts or digital planners, upload them on print-on-demand sites like Printify or Redbubble, and let the platform handle production and shipping. or use AI to create templates, ebooks, or tools you can sell on Gumroad or Etsy. You can even combine AI with automation software to run your entire business with minimal manual effort. Once the setup is done, your role is to optimize and scale. This is perfect if you want to work fewer days per week and still maintain strong income flow. So let's recap. The top 5 ways to earn online in 2026 are: number 1, digital courses and coaching. Number 2, affiliate marketing and partnerships. Number 3, freelancing and service-based work. Number 4, content creation and the creator economy. And number 5, automation, AI tools, and passive income models. The beauty of these methods is that you don't need to pick just one. You can stack them. For example, start with freelancing for fast cash flow, build a YouTube channel to grow your audience, then create a digital course for long-term passive income. This combination builds multiple income streams and gives you stability even when one slows down. Before you go, let me give you a few bonus tips that'll make all the difference. First, start now. Don't wait for the perfect time. Most people get stuck in planning mode. Progress starts the moment you take your first imperfect step. Second, focus on skill over equipment. Your value lies in your ideas and delivery, not expensive gear. You can always upgrade later. Third, stay consistent. The online world rewards those who keep showing up. Fourth, track your growth. Watch what's working and double down on it. And finally, reinvest your profits. Use your early income to buy better tools, ads, or education that helps you grow faster. If you follow these steps, you'll be amazed at where you'll be by the end of 2026. Remember, success online isn't about luck. It's about patience, discipline, and learning from every move. Even small progress every week adds up. Remember, 2026 isn't about waiting for opportunities. It's about creating them. Build your income streams, stay focused, and never stop learning. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay motivated, stay consistent, and keep grinding.